Living in sunny Southern California has its perks, but it also comes with a unique set of challenges for homeowners. Regular home maintenance is key to keeping your Southern California home in top shape. Let's break down some essential home maintenance tips that are specific to the Southern California climate and lifestyle. Number 1, prepare for the heat. Southern California is known for its warm climate. To keep your home cool and energy efficient, regular maintenance of your air conditioning system is crucial. Clean or replace your AC filters regularly, and consider having a professional service your system once a year. Number 2, embrace drought-tolerant landscaping. Water conservation is vital in this region. Opt for drought-tolerant landscaping. This involves choosing plants that thrive in dry conditions and require minimal watering, helping you save on your water bill and contribute to environmental sustainability. Number 3, earthquake preparedness. Earthquakes are a reality in California. Ensure that your home is as earthquake-proof as possible. Secure heavy furniture and appliances to the walls, and consider consulting with a professional to check the structural integrity of your home. Number 4, check for pests regularly. The warm climate is inviting to various pests, including termites and ants. Regularly inspect your home for signs of infestations and consider periodic treatments by pest control professionals to keep these uninvited guests at bay. Number 5, roof maintenance. The intense sun can be hard on roofs. Inspect your roof regularly for signs of wear and tear, such as broken or missing shingles. Keeping your gutters clean is also essential to preventing water damage. Number 6, fire safety. In areas prone to wildfires, it's important to maintain a defensible space around your property. This means clearing away dry brush and making sure trees and shrubs are trimmed and away from your home. Number 7, paint and exterior. The sun can fade and damage exterior paint. A fresh coat of paint not only keeps your home looking great, but also adds a layer of protection from the elements. By staying on top of these key maintenance tasks, you can ensure your home remains a comfortable, safe, and efficient haven for years to come. Stay up to date on what's happening in the current real estate market, and for more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.